Fall is the perfect time to refresh your classroom or office with a bulletin board that captures the spirit of the season. Whether you're looking for something educational, creative, or just plain fun, fall-themed bulletin board can set the tone for a welcoming and festive environment. But where do you start, and how do you make it stand out? Stick around, because I'm about to share some of the most creative and impactful fall bulletin board ideas that will inspire everyone who sees them. What are some classic themes for a fall bulletin board? Classic themes are a great starting point for any fall bulletin board. These timeless ideas capture the essence of the season and can be easily adapted to fit any space or purpose. Harvest theme. Incorporate elements like pumpkins, corn stalks, and baskets of apples to create a harvest-themed bulletin board. This brings the abundance of the fall season right into your classroom or office. Autumn leaves. Use a variety of colored leaves, red, orange, yellow, and brown, to create a vibrant backdrop. You can also add quotes or messages on the leaves to make the board interactive. Theme. Highlight the spirit of gratitude with a Thanksgiving-themed board. Include turkeys, pilgrims, and a What Are You Thankful For section, where students or colleagues can add their own notes of gratitude. If you're loving these classic themes, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues who might be planning their own bulletin boards this fall. How can you make an educational fall bulletin board that's also visually appealing? An educational bulletin board doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can design a board that's both informative and eye-catching, making learning fun and engaging. Fall Science Board. Create a board that teaches about the science of fall, why leaves change color, the life cycle of a pumpkin, or the migration patterns of birds. Use diagrams, illustrations, and real-life examples to bring these concepts to life. Math and Nature. Design a board that explores math concepts using fall elements. For example, you can have students measure and compare the heights of different pumpkins, or calculate the angles of leaf shapes. This makes learning interactive and relevant to the season. Literary Fall. Highlight fall-themed books and poems on your board. Include book covers, author quotes, and excerpts from stories that are perfect for autumn reading. This encourages students or colleagues to explore seasonal literature. If these educational ideas are sparking your creativity, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tips on making learning fun and engaging. What are some interactive bulletin board ideas for fall? Interactive bulletin boards are a fantastic way to get everyone involved. By adding elements that encourage participation, you can make your bulletin board a dynamic part of your space. Thankful Tree. Create a large tree on your bulletin board and have students or colleagues add leaves with things they are thankful for. Over time, the tree will fill up, becoming a colorful and meaningful display of gratitude. Pumpkin Patch Match. Design a bulletin board that features a pumpkin patch with different pumpkins. On each pumpkin, write a fact or question related to fall. Below, have pockets or spaces where students can place their answers or matching pieces. This makes learning fun and hands-on. Autumn Wishes. Have a section where people can write their hopes and goals for the fall season on leaf cutouts. These can be added to the board throughout the season, creating a growing collection of aspirations and dreams. Loving the idea of getting everyone involved? Let me know in the comments which interactive idea you're excited to try. How can you create a fall bulletin board that's both decorative and inspirational? Bulletin boards can be more than just decorative. They can also serve as a source of inspiration. By combining beautiful fall elements with motivational messages, you can create a board that lifts spirits and sets a positive tone. Autumn quotes. Fill your board with inspiring quotes that relate to fall, growth, and change. Use autumn leaves, pumpkins, and warm colors to frame the quotes and make them stand out. This encourages positivity and reflection. Seasonal goals. Create a fall goals section where students or colleagues can post their personal or academic goals for the season. Surround this section with fall decor like leaves and acorns to keep the theme consistent. Gratitude wall. Dedicate a part of the board to a gratitude wall, where people can post notes about what they're thankful for. The act of sharing gratitude can inspire others to reflect on their own blessings, creating a ripple effect of positivity. If you're inspired by these ideas, be sure to check out the description for more tips on creating a positive and uplifting environment with your bulletin board. What are some DIY fall bulletin board ideas that are easy to create? You don't need a lot of time or fancy materials to create a beautiful fall bulletin board. With some simple DIY ideas, you can craft something that looks great and captures the essence of the season. Paper plate pumpkins. Use paper plates to create pumpkins for your board. Paint or color them orange, add green stems, and arrange them in a patch. This is an easy and cost-effective way to fill up your board with fall decor. Handprint leaves. Have students trace their hands on fall-colored construction paper. Cut them out and use them as leaves on a tree or scattered around the board. This adds a personal touch and is a fun activity for younger students. Yarn and fabric. Use scraps of yarn and fabric to create textures on your bulletin board. You can make yarn pumpkins, fabric-covered letters, or even a patchwork-style background. These materials add warmth and dimension to your design. If you're a fan of easy DIY projects, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who love crafting for the season. How can you involve students or colleagues in creating the fall bulletin board? Getting everyone involved in the creation of a fall bulletin board can make the process more fun and meaningful. When students or colleagues contribute, the board becomes a collaborative work of art. Collaborative art. Have each person create a small piece of fall-themed art, a leaf, acorn, or pumpkin, that can be added to the board. Once assembled, the board becomes a collective expression of the group's creativity. Shared messages. Encourage students or colleagues to write messages or share their favorite fall memories on index cards. These can be posted on the board, adding a personal and communal touch to the display. Weekly updates. Make the bulletin board a living project by updating it weekly. Have different people contribute new elements each week, whether it's adding more leaves to a tree or changing the quotes. This keeps the board fresh and engaging. If you're planning to involve your students or colleagues in your next bulletin board project, share this video to spread the inspiration and start the creativity flowing. So there you have it, 6 creative and engaging fall bulletin board ideas that will make your space look fantastic and feel welcoming this season. From classic themes to interactive designs and DIY projects, there's something here for every style and purpose. Remember, the best bulletin boards are the ones that inspire, educate, and bring a bit of the fall spirit into your daily life.